Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video that is going to be all about your hairstyles that we girls are really fond of, isn't it? Let's see how many different hairstyles are we going to create today. First, we have to take the comb, do the partition, and with the help of beautiful clips you can make your hair decorative as well as beautiful. Take the two pleats around and make it look like this pattern and your butterfly clips. We are doing the next. Proceeding further, make the pattern like this on the back side of your hair and tackle it with the clips. And here we are doing the crisscross from the upper part to the lower part and doing the same thing on the other side as well. Let's curious to know about the end result? Just wait and watch, and this is how we have done this. Now make a bun out of your hair and lock it with the help of a beautiful clip. And it is the end result. Proceeding further, we have something big in store for you. Yes, these cute lovely patterns of hair will literally make you stand out in the crowd. And here, princess pleat. Yes, this is something amazing. And proceeding further, what are we having next is making the pleats like this and the patterns of hair crisscrossing in a lock and then locking the hair with the clip. Here, yes, we have tackled one part of the hair and doing the same thing just to make a copy of the other part, and this is a rainbow. A wow, like. And another thing, we are having something for you. Yes. Proceeding further, take the three parts of the hair and crisscross it like this with the help of a small piece of ribbon, and this will make your pleat look really dashing. Proceeding another hairstyle. Yes, this is something that will make you look really different. You will add to your beauty. Yes, making the patterns like this will make you look really lovely and beautiful. And these ribbons add charm to the beauty. Yes, this one's my favorite. This is what we get into. Let's see what we have now next. Crisscrossing in this manner and making the patterns of the hair like this. Yes, this is the thing that we love to do, making pleats, right? Now let's see what the girl is doing now. Yes, this pattern looks really nice and you got to try this at your home, right? You cannot escape from this. Now the next lovely, beautiful, cute hairstyle for girls with long hair. Yes, this is the pattern that you like the most. And here's the three crisscross patterns.